Sparkle Squad, this is Monica, and today I have a beautiful mystery design kit from my friends at softlex.com, and this is hinting to me at a theme in their wrapping, which I always love. I'm a big fan of their wrapping. This actually makes me think of coffee, but it's not. It is the Safari Design Challenge Kit. They have actually already created jewelry and revealed their kit on their YouTube channel, and I think they also do their reveals on their Facebook channel back on August 30th, and I just received this kit, so I'm looking forward to checking it out. Now, something that makes me a little sad is that it includes some TierraCast items, and unfortunately I saw recently that they're shutting down their business. They've been in business for like almost as long as I've been alive. I'm 50 and they've, I think, been in business for 45 years. It's very sad whenever you get news like that, because especially someone that's been in the game for as long as they have, and the quality materials that they offer to the jewelry making community, you know, you get to rely on them. I'm holding out hope against hope that they will be able to figure out some alternative universe as far as offering product. But for right now, they're just saying that they are closing. It does make me happy to see another of their beautiful items. And of course, it also includes some of my friends at Jesse James, their bead mixes. So in case you have not seen my previous videos, I will have a playlist linked. These are the Softlex Mystery Design Kits. So it contains pretty much everything that you need for your tools. It's got your beads, your wire, your crimps, your finding, and more. But the thing that I love about Softlex is their bead stringing wire is included, and it usually is a color that coordinates with the theme. If you're interested in their kits, be sure to check out the link that I'll have down in the description. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but I will have their link below. They did send me this kit to review for you, so I am excited, and it's going to be really fun to make something with the beautiful items that they have sent me. So they've got some basics here as far as just what I can do to be able to reveal it. If you are a subscriber, then you will be able to reveal this in the VIB Studio group on Facebook as well. You will need to wait until they've actually done their reveal, so that's usually the last Wednesday of the month, and then they will announce it when they're going to do that. And then after they have done their reveal, everyone else can show it if you have a YouTube channel or on your social media, whatever. I love to see what everybody makes because we all have different ideas, and it's just so much fun. You start out with the same kit, but it doesn't mean that everybody's going to be making the same things over and over again. So from August 30th to September 22nd, you can post your pictures of the designs that you make with your kit. And in this case, it's Safari, in the Softlex VIB Studio Facebook group with the hashtag Safari, and that will enter you in to win a future kit if they select you. So they choose the winners at random, so that is just really cool to know. Let's get into my favorite part, opening the package. I love how they do the package to suit the theme, and it's just that much more exciting for me. Now, they do have a Halloween Hustle kit that's coming up, and you know me, I'm all about the Halloween, y'all. That is going to be after August 30th, so it's available for sale now, but they won't do the reveal until the end of this month, here of September, so that will be exciting if you're interested in that. Check it out. This tissue paper reminds me of caramel coffee. Makes me thirsty. And I always save their little pieces of twine because I do that. First up, we have the Jesse James Design Elements in the Safari. Ooh, I love this bead here. It looks like it's a resin and mother of pearl mix in that coin bead right there. That is awesome focal bead. I don't think there are more than one of those, so that will just be like a focal piece. But I love the colors in that, very earth toned. And it's got those pops of red, so that's really interesting. And your taupes and reds and browns and cinnamons and all of that. Nice for fall as well. Then we have the findings. So we've got some of their Softlex crimp tubes, which are really handy for the Softlex bead stringing wire. We have these cute little charms and things here, so I'm going to actually open these, and we will look at those here individually, especially since my friends at TierraCast are going out of business. Oh, some of the other findings were in here as well. So we have the lobster claw clasp. I'm going to put that in here with the crimp tubes. And those are the standard size 2 crimp tubes. Then we have some ear wires in the gold tone color here. I'm going to put those in my findings bag so everything is all together. The zebra, this is so cute. This is ceramic zebra charm. Isn't that cute? So this is 3D, and it has a hole here through the center, so it'd be running this way here to make as a pendant. Very cute little zebra. I don't think I can stand him up, but we'll stand him up like that. Oh, so we have some little elephantes, some elephants, or no, is that elephant or giraffe? Oh, okay, there's the giraffes. These are elephants, and these are check glass lucky elephant beads. Wow, those are so cute. So that design is on both sides. Love the earthy color to them as well. Then we have the giraffes. They're tiny. Aren't those cute? Their little faces are so cute. These are teeny tiny giraffe beads. They're not kidding. Those are really cute. That'd make beautiful little earrings. Now these will stand up. Look at that. I've got a little safari going on here on my board. Now these are my TierraCast, the oxidized brass woven fan links. And that is TierraCast, and again, they are closing, so that's going to be sad when they actually do complete that closure. But these are beautiful, and again, TierraCast has always made high-quality items, so that's something that we will miss. I'm going to keep my fingers and toes crossed, though, that they work something out as at least available to the online community or through some of the suppliers that we already work through, like Softlex and Jesse James, things like that. And hopefully, you know, we'll at least be able to continue in some way that way. So if you hear anything on the TierraCast front, make sure that you leave me a comment below and give me the good news. I'm hoping for good news anyway, some kind of good news. So next up, we've got the beads here, and I love these beads. I love them. Oh, okay, butterscotch opal travertine turbine beads, which would be these. These are really pretty. That reminds me of some coffee right there. I'm gonna have to get more of these beads if they have them available, because I love that size and it's just really pretty, especially for fall, not just safari. Then we have some pyramid beads here, and this is a two-hole white travertine pyramid bead. Now these I have in different colors, but I love this because it's such a natural, neutral color. And I already have some idea on how I'm going to use that. So very cool beads there. Then we've got some fire polished rounds, 3mm metallic green fire polished round. And that is an awesome contrast. You can see a little bit of that fiery green coming up there, but it has a really matte and muted look about it, and it is teeny tiny but very pretty. Then we have the black ship beads, which is a 20 by 9mm. I don't know why they call that ship bead, but it's a nice oval shape, elongated oval. 7mm orange with Aurora Borealis faceted finish to it. Very pretty color on that. That's the strands of beads. And the last thing that we have is the Softlex bone color beading wire, and this is again their awesome bead stringing wire. This is the 49 strands that are compacted into what looks like it's one strand here, but they have the multiple colors, and I think I have all of their colors. I still am holding out for orange. I haven't seen an orange color. I've seen coral, but I haven't seen orange, so that would be awesome for Halloween. Maybe that'll be in the Halloween Hustle kit that they're going to have coming out at the end of this month. So this is the Safari kit from my friends at Softlex.com. Again, thank you so much for sending that to me. This is so much fun, and I'm looking forward to creating with this kit as well. Again, if you are not familiar with them, they come out with a different themed kit every month, and once you have seen their reveal, usually the last Wednesday, I believe, of the month, then you can do your own reveal if you have a YouTube channel or on your social media. And whatever designs that you create, you can share your photos and video with the VIB Softlex Facebook group, and they will usually share that throughout the Facebook group, but also on their social medias and their blogs. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this with any of your jewelry making friends that might be interested in these elements from the Softlex company. I would appreciate that. If you've not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of these. And if you already have this kit, have you already created something using it? I would be interested in seeing your designs as well. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and have a sparkle-rific day, y'all. Bye!